I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickles fast. First, gather your ingredients: fresh cucumbers, vinegar, water, salt, and any spices you love, like dill or garlic. Next, wash and slice your cucumbers into spears or rounds, depending on your preference. Then combine equal parts vinegar and water in a saucepan, adding about 1 tablespoon of salt per cup of liquid. Heat gently until the salt dissolves completely. Now that your brine is ready, it's time to pack your jars. Tightly arrange your cucumber slices into clean, heat-safe glass jars. You can add extra flavor by tucking in fresh dill sprigs, a few garlic cloves, or a pinch of peppercorns. Carefully pour the warm brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely covered. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Once your jars are filled, seal them tightly with their lids. Allow the jars to cool down to room temperature on your counter. After cooling, transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor and crunch, chill your quick pickles for at least 1 hour or even a few hours before enjoying. These delicious, homemade pickles are best consumed within 2 weeks. You can easily customize your quick pickles. Try different types of vinegar, like apple cider or rice vinegar, or add various spices such as mustard seeds or red pepper flakes for a kick. You can even quick pickle other vegetables like carrots or green beans. Always store your finished quick pickles in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.